Today, our 1973 Honda CB350G bin bike gets its first ride. All that and more on this episode of Motorcycle Rewind. Hey, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and subscribe. As soon as you hit it, I'm going to go ahead and start this thing up. GoPro style. Okay guys, here you have it, our 1973 Honda CB350G bin bike. I call it a bin bike because when we got this sucker, it was in bins. It was completely disassembled. Today's going to be our first ride. And you guys may have seen the video to where we put the brand new set of Mikuni carbs on it, the VM28 Mikuni carbs from Speed Moto Co. If you haven't had a chance to watch that video, go ahead and check it out. But this bike is awesome. This first ride, and then hopefully it'll be the first gone video, meaning hopefully somebody's going to want to take this sucker home because I need room in the shop and I need to get this thing gone. So let's go ahead and strap on the GoPro and take it for a ride. Sound of these little exhausts. This is the first ride on it. Kind of listening for stuff that could be broken. Make sure nothing's falling off. Feels pretty good. Give it a couple of downshifts. Give it a little spin around. Cutting out on the left side. I don't think it's a spark, I think it's a fuel. I'll check it. Could be spark, I may have a loose I don't think I'm getting any spark on the left. fuel, I'll have to check it. Fuel or spark, so one of those that was running before. It's not running now, so we'll roll it inside and see. That's why you do the first ride, so you can get to the second ride. So you can fix what you gotta fix. Gotta figure out what you gotta fix first, so you can fix the second and third thing. Not a problem, we'll sort it. We'll check, see if we're getting spark for that spark plug. But it runs good on one. It runs this good on one, right? How good it's gonna run on two. So we'll roll it in and we'll see if we can get some, look at it, see if we can sort it. Yeah, okay. Let's get back up. Yeah, that's just one. There, kind of came alive right there for a second. Yeah, let's check it out, see what it is. We'll figure it out. Let's roll it inside just so we can get out of the shade a little bit. It's kind of warm. Okay guys, so we just got back from the first ride and we were finding that this cylinder wasn't firing all the time. So we're gonna go ahead and check it. The first thing we're gonna do is just check, see if we have spark over here. So I'm gonna just unplug that boot, put another spark plug in it, ground it, hit the starter button, see what happens. So I'll get you guys in close so you can get a good shot of me getting shocked. Turn the key on, power, looking for spark right in here. No, see, we don't have anything. We're not getting anything. No spark here. Thinking something may have come unplugged, so let's go ahead and pull the tank off. Hopefully we can find something pretty simple. Okay, let's look for these. Make sure my core wires are plugged in. Especially this one. Make sure this boot's screwed in all the way. Checking everything. Got spark now. Must have had just a loose connection in there. Let's go ahead and pull this guy off. Make sure it's not fouled. I'll put another one in. How long are these threads? Yeah, let's go ahead and put another one in. There we go, we're back. Had to go dig through the clean spark plug pile to find a pair of B80S. I'm gonna go ahead and change them anyway. I'll change both of them, I'll check both of them just to see how it is. Then I'm gonna go through and just unplug and replug all these wires again just to make sure everything's good. Put the tank back on and hopefully that is it. The only other thing I have to do is a little, gotta tighten up the brake stay for the rear wheel. Okay, let's take this sucker out of the neighborhood. See what it do. Blinkers, look at that. stop right here and get a little picture for the Instagram. Nice little pic. Okay, we got a pic for the IG, so let's roll out of here. Right there, this great oak tree right here. It's a great little spot we like. You gotta jump, watch out for critters. We are in the swamp, but this is, come on. So there you have it, our first, second, third, and maybe fourth ride on this little Honda CB350 1973. It's awesome, and the carb upgrade, the Mikuni carb upgrade VM28 is incredible. So much fun, revs all the way through. It's got a lot of power, it pulls strong. So thanks again, guys, for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. Do us a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.